Okay, I think it's recording. Hello, everybody. I'm Squishy Taco. Taco. Ugh, smells weird. It's probably from the markers. Squishy Taco. I will probably legitimately make a bunch of videos where I do nothing but do this. Because this is very, very relaxing. I get it now. Sorry I made fun of squishy people. This is really quite enjoyable to squish this. So it's not exactly completely perfect, but it's like a few little air bubbles. As you can see, but it's a Walmart squishy. What are you gonna do? Ooh, this is Taco. Do not fall. Squishy Taco. So yeah, hi. I'm bored. Squishy Taco.